Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to redeem a Netflix gift card code. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. And also you need to go and subscribe to Netflix. Basically, you need to have a subscription on Netflix to be able to use the application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and redeem a Netflix gift card code. So basically, open Netflix and log into your account and hover over your profile icon and click on account. As so. In the membership and billing, so when you go click there section, click redeem gift card. Now, when you click redeem gift card promo code here, you need to go and enter a 16-digit code from your gift card and click redeem. Choose whether to apply the balance to your existing account or set up a new account. Click continue to confirm the complete and complete the redemption process. Your gift card balance will now be added to your account and you can start enjoying your Netflix subscription. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until the next video, bye guys.